Introducing the groundbreaking Sunseeker Orion X7, revolutionizing lawn care with advanced robotic technology. The Orion X7 is not just any robotic mower. It's a smart, efficient powerhouse designed to handle diverse garden landscapes with ease and precision. Hey guys! Welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology. And before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. Today, we're unboxing the highly anticipated Sunseeker Orion X7. Let's see what's inside the box. The Orion X7 robotic mower, a charging station, boundary wires, and a user manual, all designed for seamless setup and use. The Orion X7 boasts Sunseeker's cutting-edge AO Navi TM positioning and navigation system, blending RTK GNSS satellite positioning with VSLAM visual technology for unmatched accuracy. Its Intel Vision TM, artificial vision and deep learning system, along with an AWD all-wheel drive system, ensures smooth operation across any terrain, making lawn care effortless and precise. Smart features and efficiency. Diving deeper into its features, the Orion X7 impresses with effortless setup and wire-free boundaries, ensuring successful mapping even in the most complex gardens. Smart app control for comprehensive multi-zone management, allowing for detailed scheduling and real-time adjustments. Dual cutting plates significantly increase mowing efficiency, covering up to 3 acres with ease. The AWD system provides exceptional stability and traction, conquering slopes up to 70%. Precision height adjustment guarantees a perfectly manicured lawn, while intelligent path planning avoids obstacles and customizes mowing routes. Additional highlights include auto rain detection, eco-friendly energy efficiency, ultra-quiet operation under 68 dB, waterproof design for easy cleaning, IPX5, and an anti-theft GPS feature. Eco-friendly and smart lawn care. Embrace the future of lawn care with the Orion X7. Beyond its smart features and operational efficiency, it's designed with sustainability in mind. Low energy consumption and an eco mode ensure your lawn care routine is as green as your grass. The clippings can be directly used as fertilizer to nourish the lawn. When compared to traditional mowers, the Orion X7 stands out for its time-saving, efficient, and user-friendly approach to lawn care. With the cost savings over hiring a service company, it's not just an investment in your lawn, but in your lifestyle. And that's the Sunseeker Orion X7. A marvel of modern lawn care technology. So this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment section. This is Enoylity technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.